Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to haul and review another sexy lingerie ang ating haul and review for today. Itong ating new collection panty. So without further ado, let's begin. So this is my new collection. Look at this, so nice and beautiful, so elegant. Look at that, very elegant. Look at that. And this is a front view. So tingnan na natin kung gaano ba kaganda ang kanyang quality. Wow, look at that, very nice. Ang kanyang waistline ay itong lace, and also here in the leg hole, lace ang kanyang nakalagay, na stretchable naman po siya. Tingnan natin sa ilalim. Wow, nice quality. This is Victoria's Choice. Look at this quality, so gorgeous quality wise. So this is Victoria's Choice. Ang ganda pati yung sa ano, tingnan mo yung tahi niya, nice. Perfect po yung kanyang quality, talagang maganda. Nabili ko ito sa Shopwise. Napakaganda ng quality, hindi kayo magsisisi. Very nice. At ito ay medium size. Ito ay cotton po ito. Itong tela na to, ito cotton. Ang stretchable niyan, nice po siya. Cool na cool po. Malamig sa balat. At very nice po ang kanyang style. Very elegant and beautiful. Look at this. Look at this beautiful lingerie. Wow, nice quality. And the style is so elegant. The quality is good. The garter is good. The material is good. So, perfect. Kapag i-rate natin ito siya ng 1 to 10, bigyan natin siya ng perfect 10. Nice talaga po. Kung ito ang bibili nyo, nabili ko po ito sa Shopwise. Talagang maganda siya. At least kung sa Shopwise ka bumili, talagang ano siya, tawag nito, kitang-kita mo yung quality, makakapamili ka. So, nice po ito. Good doon sa mga hindi mahilig sa tong panty, but makakapili ka naman ng mga style na you feel sexy in the sense. So this is, look at this, so nice and beautiful, good quality. At ang kanyang tatak ay Victoria's Choice. At ang kanyang price po ay 69.75 pesos. Kaya okay na rin, kasi kung bibili ka ng halimbawa sa online selling, halimbawa nagkakalaga po siya ng 60, tapos meron pa siyang shipping payment na 40, so maabot siya ng 100. So okay na po ito kung makakita ka naman ng maganda, at least kitang-kita mo pa, talagang makikita mo yung quality. Samantalang sa online, minsan hindi ka sure, minsan hindi rin maganda ang dating. So swertihan din talaga. So this is good. So that is for today for our sexy, elegant bikini panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.